Do you want to be the king's neighbor? Hello everyone, this is Anna, real estate negotiator from Propnext Realty. Today I'm going to show you a unit at Sri Hartamas that is just right next to the National Palace. This unit is at Chelsea Service Apartment, a luxury service apartment which is just like a 5-star hotel. It's a 600 square feet, 1-bedroom unit with balcony and fully furnished. This unit greets you with a nice kitchen as you enter. Top and bottom built-in cabinets, hood and hob, and fridge are provided. Oh, did you notice what's next to the sink? Yay, you get to drink clean filtered water, and the wallpaper facing the kitchen has been replaced with new. Let's have a look at the bathroom that is behind the kitchen. As you can see, this bathroom is very similar to a hotel bathroom. Now that you have seen the kitchen and bathroom, let's move to the dining and living area. What I like about this unit is the mirror and the empty floor space in front of the mirror. Mirror always makes a room look bigger, and you can also use this space as a workout and dance space. Remember that when working out or dancing at the studio or gym, people always like to stand in front of the mirror so that they can see themselves doing it. There's a nice round glass table and a new sofa at the living room, and over here there is a television with free cable TV whereby you can watch Fox News, CNN and other channels. The beautiful chandelier hanging above the dining table creates a very romantic feel, which is perfect for a candlelight dinner for two lovebirds. Look at the shiny newly polished floorings. There is a sliding glass door which separates the living and dining area from the bedroom. As you enter the bedroom, you will be welcomed by a king-size bed. Owner has set up 2 table lamps at each corner of the bed for your convenience and for dimmer lighting ambience. There is a small reading area here. You can open the curtains a little to allow natural sunlight during the daytime when you are reading. This sliding glass door has dual function. It not only acts as a door to separate the bedroom from the living hall, but also acts as a door for the wardrobes. If you are a couple, you can each have 1 wardrobe. Come, let's visit the balcony. There is a shoe rack here to put your shoes and a wooden table. And now we are just right in front of the Hartamas Shopping Centre. It's very convenient here as you don't need to drive to do your shopping. And this is the road to the National Palace. So if you are staying here, you and the king are really neighbours. Since the developer of this service apartment does not allow owners to buy the car parks here, you can rent a car park for only Rm 150 per month. From here you can see a little bit of the Sky Bridge, which is linked to the shopping center. Therefore you don't need to walk across the street. You can use the Sky Bridge for direct access, and it's covered too, so you can still cross over when it's raining. Lastly, we have a small yard area next to the balcony where there is a washing machine and a place to dry your clothes. If you are interested to rent this unit, please feel free to contact me, Anna, at 016-623-9933. Please like, subscribe and share my videos for more property related videos by me. Thanks for watching.